Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Today we're gonna give you update number 6 on the cuda rust, or shall I say cruda. Let's go. All right, back outside again. Not too bad out here. Cut that hole out, grind that down, smooth that out. Been working on the corners here. A little bit of bondo work there. Yeah, she's looking pretty good. I don't have the paint stripping the paint off the molding over there. Maybe we could show you this side. I got this side all smoothed out pretty good here too. Let me see if I can show you. Anyway, there we go. Not too shabby for a backyard mechanic. So got the, I don't know what I'm going to do with the headliner yet. It's a little crunchy over here on both sides. So we're going to work on that side over there, and then in between, while I'm waiting on bondo and stuff, put some patches in over there. That's where we're at today. But hey, all you got to do is take the air out of that tire, and you can change this one. Anyway, we getting it. All right, got a hole there. Got to get the tape out, make some patched templates, and I'm gonna fix this hole up here too. First, I'm gonna pour 15 all this stuff here, and then let that sit. That takes 6 or 8 hours to dry. So in the meantime, you cut the patch while the pour 15 is drying. Alright, I got that patch in, welded in, and seam sealed up. Next, probably work on that little one there, and then I get some seam sealer all the way down through here. I already got it schmutzed up down inside there, so we getting it. I got to fix that hole there for the radio antenna. Maybe I'll even at least cut that patch there yet today. And I got another one over there behind the flashlight. Let me show you something I just thought about. You know, because when I'm cutting this out here and trying to find the line to do it, I thought, well, hey, what happens if I put a flashlight underneath there, right? And look at that. I could see the lines. I can just cut right along them lines. I make sure I put a couple layers of tape. That way it gives a little bit of stability. Over here where the frame rail is, you're sort of going to have to guess, but man, that works pretty good. I'm digging that. There we go. And I just went and cut where I missed. I always make it a little bit bigger anyway, just because of mistakes. You know, I've seen other people do this, but they put the tape on before they cut the panel. And I thought, well, I could probably do the same thing backwards and put the tape on after I cut the panel. So that's why I ended up going this way. Let me see, do we got everything here? Yep. It's just right here I have a little rippage here. Better get the blade runner. Alright, so I got a little messed up there, but the grinder will take care of that, and so will the cutter. There we go. Another patch panel. Well, getting ready to put this patch in. Let's see if we can give you some light here. That patch in there. I got another little hole over there to do. And got that schmutzed up down in there, schmutzed up in there. Get in here, after we get all that, we get in there with the wire brush and stuff, clean all that up. And then the only other thing I might do here today is finish up this hump. Get that hole straightened out. I don't know yet. That's about it. Next is dashboard, windshield. We got a whole lot of bondo sanding up here, but it's looking pretty good. I'm digging it. I just put a skim coat over the top. We'll sand all that down and see where we need some more. I finally got some more bondo in. There we go. Alright, the passenger side patching is done. Then once I feel froggy, I'll get after that hole there and take them other plates off, see what's underneath there. But now I need to clean up in here and get the old 415 out and do all that. And put some, I need to put some more seam sealer in some places. Get that all painted up. Get behind the dash all painted up. Well, found another hole under the patch. No idea what that might have been for. It looks like all they used was a chisel and a hammer, maybe, just to cut the holes in here. Found another hole over there that was just a punch was pushed down through there. And well, we'll get her fixed up though. Got the old cuda outside again, doing some sanding. You see all the dust. Gotta get in here and grind some of them welds a little bit, and you know, where the impurities popped up through, get some of that out of there, clean all that up. I might even cut some patches for there yet today, but I did get did do some sanding up here and got a skim coat all the way across the whole top of it. So we'll let that dry. Here's another experiment I'm trying too. I'm just gonna, I've seen other people, this dash is really bad. I mean, you touch it and it cracks apart. So I'm gonna try it. You know, it can't be any worse than it already was. So we're gonna give it a shot. Works, it works. It don't, it don't. I'll have to get a cover for it, I guess. That's about it. Got that all straightened out there, and we need something to put in this hole someday. I got some cleanup down in there yet too, and then got some rust repair there too. But my concern is get that all done, get the dashboard back in, and I can put the windshield in. Man, I'll be so happy when that happens, and then take her from there. All right, got the Cruda back outside today. A little overcast. Most of the smoke is gone though. So I brought it out because I wanted to do some sanding up here and keep some of the dust out of the garage. I got some low spots here, high spot there. We'll get that, but I wanted to 415 that floor over there because that's all finished as far as welding patches and stuff. So that takes like 6 hours to dry, and in the meantime I was in here hammer and dolly trying to straighten this out the best I can. I already got one tape template made for this area, so I might even cut these out today, tape them up, cut them out today, because I can't get over there, it's all wet. And so you can see I had the hammers and dollies out and blocks of steel, and I got the bed liner stuff, so I'm gonna just do this floor up front here, you know, where your feet go, just see what it looks like. I think it'll do well. And then also I wanted to show you here, so you can see how the paint was all over the molding. and then I had a paint strip. This was exactly like that, or probably worse. I got a whole lot of polishing to do yet too, but that was a job in itself, just taking the paint off that molding. And I got these A-pillars straightened out, painted up to here. I believe I don't have to touch that anymore. This corner here is in good shape. It's just across the front here. And I believe what I'm going to do here is just to repair from here up, and then probably grind this out down through here, right? And fix got this fixed in here, and then fix this. And then I don't want to strip the whole roof, because then I got to do the whole roof. So that could be done at a later date. And then I'll just, you can see there's, 1,432 layers of paint in here and bondo. So I'll just feather that out for now, and worry about that later. Because if I bite the bullet and put a roof on it, then I don't have to do any of that stuff. I know I spend a lot of time here in the front here, but hey, it might be 2, 3, 4 years from now, maybe put a roof on it. I don't know. Maybe I won't never put one on there. All depends how froggy I feel. So I got this all painted up, right? And this A-pillar done here too. So windshield is, it can go in now, but I got to finish this up here. If you think about it, I really haven't spent a whole lot of time up in there. Get that all done in there. Those holes next. Oh, and also I'm over here sanding on the dashboard. It won't look bad. It'll be a good 40-footer. It'll definitely look better than it did with all those cracks in there. I do have some vinyl paint left from when I did the bucks. A couple things on the door handles on the buck and stuff. So we're gonna spray it up and see what it looks like. And so that'll be the end of this video. I just wanted to give you an update and see how far I'm at, see how far I got so far. And a little progress every day. I try to come out here and work an hour, maybe 2 hours every morning, and get something done. That's my goal, is to get something done. And then once the 455 comes back for the buck, we'll get jumping on that then too. There's a couple things I can do to that now, but I think I'm going to wait and try to concentrate on getting that as much done to that as I can, because once the motor comes in for the buck, then the cuda is going to have to go out here under a tarp. So it would be really nice to have at least have the windshield in before I put it under a tarp, but well, can't have everything, right? So there we go. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell. And remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.